Hello everyone, this is the seventh video of the API Management with MuleSoft series. The goal of this series is to introduce you to various aspects of API management you can do with any point platform regardless of where your API is built and running. In this video, we'll build a customized API portal where external and internal users can interact with the APIs we have within our org. So far in this series, we've been focusing on enabling internal developers who have access to our Anypoint platform organization. The three APIs we have are PhoneSync API built in Anypoint Code Builder and deployed in CloudHub, Product Catalog API, and Product Inventory API built in generic Visual Studio Code and deployed in AWS. Now, we want to make these APIs available to outside stakeholders and developers with self-service API portal built and managed with Anypoint API Experience Hub. Anypoint API Experience Hub is powered by Salesforce Experience Cloud, an enterprise-class web publishing system, and allows you to create branded API portals with just clicks. With API Experience Hub, you can set up your custom API portal with 4 simple steps. In the first step, you connect to a Salesforce instance. By connecting to Salesforce, you can take advantage of Experience Cloud's off-the-shelf, consumer-grade experience builder functionality such as communities, articles, and more. To connect, specify the environment type and input a custom Salesforce domain if you have one. Then, you just need to log in with user information, allow the permissions, and confirm the changes. In the second step, developers and the API product managers can customize the portal. This is a new empty portal experience waiting to be customized to your organization's own brand, look, and feel. Using this starter experience, you can quickly update logos, images, colors, and text across the home page, the catalog page, and API detail page. You can continue to make the changes to your portal after this step. And with just a few clicks, you now have a branded, easy-to-use API portal that doesn't require any line of code. Now, in step 3, you can add the APIs from your catalog of reusable assets in Anypoint Exchange to the portal. In the API Management tab, select which APIs to show in the portal. For each API, you can determine who can view which version of the APIs. Now, in the last step, you can make final changes to the portal and publish it. Once in the Salesforce Builder, developers and API product managers can further customize the API portal. Salesforce Builder comes with pre-built components you can drag and drop into the portal. For example, we can utilize a content management system in Salesforce and add relevant articles to the website related to the APIs. Or we can add chatter functionality to the API so that developers can engage with one another on how to best use the APIs. Once you're done customizing the portal and the preview looks good, let's publish it. Anyone can now access the portal with the publish URL. Let's look at the published portal to see how it all comes together. First, let's create a user for a developer. This kicks off an approval process. Back in the management page of Experience Hub, the API product manager can manage who has access to the portal through the user management tab. The admin can approve or reject member requests from the users who sign up through a simple process on the portal. Once approved, the user can then create a password and have access to the portal. You can also set up single sign-on for your organization. Now that we're logged in, we can see the auto-generated documentation, make test calls using the mocking service, and request access to the API. In this video, you saw how you can create branded API experiences for any audience, connect API producers and consumers, and grow API adoption and reuse with Anypoint API Experience Hub.